In primetime news this evening, we're on it. Police assure residents justice will prevail following triple killing in Trial St. Catherine. Major crime is down, but some police divisions record worrying increases in murders. And Police High Command to strengthen St. James Police Division.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the resumption of states of emergency to fight crime?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.